have now decided that the time is now for us to speak to our party and beseech our party to be able to reconsider the decisions that they are making now, because those decisions will cost the party.
I was fronted to be the PAC chairman, Public Accounts Committee chairman, by my fellow members of parliament. Then the party agreed about this position. Then yesterday I was called and told to leave this position, leave it to Honorable Mbadi, who is the party chairman. Mheshimiwa Mbadi is already a party chairman for ODM. In addition to that, he was nominated. And again, we want to add him the PAC chairman.
Me, I want to be very cantankerous and to be very candid that if the party does not reconsider this, then we'll be able to go around the country and talk to the youth and be able to chart our future.
Give the youth what belongs to the youth and give the elderly what belongs to the elderly. And I want to say that if we will not be rewarded as the youth in ODM, then we will reward ourselves.
Yes.
We will reward ourselves.